Hello my dear aspirants, welcome to Success Mantra. Are you aware that even now IIM Bangalore has started a 4-year program for the undergraduate students? Yes, you have heard it right. Even IIM Bangalore enters into the fray of a 4-year UG program for all of you. My dear students, here is the further detail. The two courses which are all set to begin from August 2026, point to be noted, the two courses which are about to start from the month of August 2026 are as following. Number one is the BSc Honours in Economics with minors in Data Science and Business. Number two is BSc Honours in Data Science with minor in Economics and Business. There will be 40 seats available for each of the two programs, which makes a total of 80 seats from the coming session of 2026. Then it will also have an exit option, okay, as per the new education policy after 3 years. These courses will be run not from the main campus of IIM Bangalore, but from the Jigani campus, which is situated 27 kilometers away from the present main campus of IIM Bangalore. And then there will be also a structured placement support for these programs. The annual fees will be 8.5 lakhs per annum. Also, my dear students, here is the further detail of the program. So if we go into the further detail, the further details are as following. The further details are as following. If we talk about the eligibility criteria, the eligibility criteria is as following. So for a general category student, the age should be not more than 20 years as on 1st August 2025, and for a reserved category student, a 2-year relaxation has been granted. So a reserved category students should not be more than 22 years as on the cutoff date for both of them is 1st of August 2025. Then a minimum of 60% is compulsory at the standard 10 level, and you must have studied maths in standard 11 and 12 with a minimum of 60% marks in mathematics. Beyond that, the admission process will consist of a written exam followed by an interview. The interview will be after the successful conduct of the examination, which will comprise of 4 sections. The 4 sections will be as following. Number 1 will be mathematics, number 2 will be logical reasoning, number 3 would be English, and the 4th will be general knowledge. So once the written exam comprising of these 4 sections is conducted, and the candidates who are qualified into this, they will come into the next level, and that is the interview process. The timeline for the entire admission process is as following. So here is the timeline for the entire admission process. The timeline is as following. So now you can see very well, as you can see, the application process will start in the month of September 2025. I repeat, the application process will start in the month of September 2025. The entrance test will be conducted in the month of December 2025, and once the result is declared, then the interview process will be conducted, and the session will commence from the month of August 2026. The link to the official press release is provided over here. Alright, so I hope that all of you got the information. So now start preparing, and all the best.